Being late for anything is terrible. Being late with your product to market can be devastating for your brand. As a hardware company or one who is producing a product, you may need to wait another full year before the sales opportunity comes back. In consumer electronics, your product sales cycle is often driven by the winter or other major holidays. Many companies make the majority of their revenue in the first year and the last month of that year. By this time, you will need to cover the financial burden of your team and are more susceptible to competitive threats even after you have marketed your product. By implementing a realistic schedule and sticking to it, you will deliver your product on time and reap the benefits.